counting every heartbeat while the cold winds started to blow. And beside me lay a farmer from a valley far away, who spoke about his sweetheart and the children he would raise. We weren't heroes in the trenches, we were brothers in the dirt, just trying to survive another day of endless hurt. And when the guns fell quiet, there was nothing left to say, just a field of broken dreams where the young ones went away. And I wrote one final letter in the candle's dying light, to tell my dear old mother that I made it through the night. But the rain came down like silver and the morning never came, and the mud became my blanket in a world with